My English garden. My pineapple guava. Found out it needs a mate. Nice. My transplanted elder. Doing real good. And here we go into the garden. Peas and beans and squash and tomatoes and more. So I just yanked some squash out, make room for some peppers. Got lots of different tomatoes. Everything is in different stages of growth so I can get a staggered harvest. Then I got just about everything in the ground. I got backed up with at least 2 in a container. And this is doing pretty good. Got some cherry peppers here. All kinds. Here's my pepper row, a couple tomatoes. Peppers here, got eggplant. Another view of the garden. It's packed. I just cleared out almost that whole bed there. Got rid of some. Got all the production I can get out of some of that stuff. And I'm getting a couple of my little Rampicante squash starting to come up. And that is, I think, it on the corn. Got a bunch of melons getting ready to, I got some flowers already. Here's another elder. Here's the shed. Got everything cleared out pretty good back here now. I gotta make up another batch of potting mix so I can put some more peppers and such, eggplants. And here's my compost pile. And it's getting to work already. You can see how low the pond is. Pretty ridiculous. Well, we didn't have enough chill hours to get any plums, but I guess nobody got any pears, plums, even some people didn't get any peaches this year. And there's my agapanth, and agapanth is starting to come up, which is nice. I got a lot of figs this year. I noticed the birds like them too.
He got all bowled up last year, wasn't being targeted at all. All of a sudden they go get Robinson. I know they just gave Thomas a deal, but then they